How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix a Wi-Fi not showing up on your laptop in your PC, go ahead and right click on the Windows icon at the bottom of the taskbar. From here, navigate to the System option. It will redirect you to your PC system settings. Now, in order to fix your Wi-Fi issue, what you actually have to do is, in your left-hand corner, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Setting. Over here, next to the Wi-Fi, you will see the Disable button. You need to disable your Wi-Fi first and foremost. Then again, you will see an Enable button. Click on Enable. After this, the issue must be solved. Next step, you can type in Run or press on Ctrl+R. Then go ahead and search for ncpa.cpl. From there as well, you'll be able to disable your Wi-Fi. After this, the issue must be solved. Last but not the least, if the solution does not work, you will have to restart your PC and try the process again. So this is how you'll be able to fix a Wi-Fi not showing up on laptop. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.